Brethren I Nation with the books, which in we share the same tent. He really draw me down to this function. This is a copper bracelet, right? And the copper is very good for arthritis. I have on my finger a ring that I had built. I had damaged this finger and it started to get swollen. And periodically it pains in my joint. My joint, it couldn't bend. And from I built this copper ring and put on it, I can tell you, it's like it's one of the greatest healing things that has ever happened to my finger. The copper just neutralized the pain and possibly neutralize the arthritis too. I usually hear that copper is good for arthritis until I prove it myself. Now, copper is also a very good material that when you wear it and you see it start to get dark very quickly and it burns wherever you wear it on and it burns that area, it means that your body has too much acid. So you have to get your body alkaline. Acid is both good and bad, but too much acid will hurt you. Now, one night I was at a function by Haining Road, and a lady came up to me. And she started to ask me what is the good properties of copper. So I named the two that I knew mostly, right? Then the lady said, no, it's not only that too, which is the too much acid or pain in your joints. She says it's also good for when your skin started to change, when, you know, when people start to have this looking like they're bleaching out. Some part of the body is dark and some part is clean. And they, I believe they call it vertigo or something like that. She said it's also good for that. I said, what? Is the first I know that. She took up her phone and then she got Google and showed me that this material is very good for that. So it's like we don't know, there's so much things that we have here. So I just started making a lot of copper bracelets.
Yes, Jamaica, it's natural. Beanie and buck up, you know. Make it messy for a Pepsi buckets. We couldn't win a World Cup. Okay? Give thanks.
I'll be making more murder. Ugly together, what up for what I need, I know. No do the talk, you don't make it better. Money, love with you. Only murder, later, yo. No put the cheddar, you don't feel like a vanilla. Count up all the toes and only tell like a sentence. No do the talk, hey, I don't know the people, I want to see my mara. Hear the partner, listen. The things that make a nigga happy. Also, I feel for mommy say she wants a Jeep happy. But never come see that bitch like was in a big old daddy. You know some people sorry, tell them never see nobody. We no hide, we no boast, no confide in a trust, not the light up, but we me a right in a. And me say kinds me adore. Burn outside, but they can't die for. What was that we have to do? Yeah, we have to go be the better. After you make it more better, uplift together. What I want and then I know. Now do the talk, the dumb is gonna make it better. Money, love with you. Only right, I let I know. Up with each other, love it. cabanera, todo se vale todo, ahorita la cena, yo no necesito ni yo mismo me quita, money, money, love, you know, money, me echa de sana.
Platform.
Can't be finished. People can.
Everybody who is started in a class, then stay till the end, huh?